Alright, so I have this printer here, Kyocera, and it's giving me the C3100 error. The problem has to do with the scanner. Something is wrong with the scanner area. This area, something is wrong. You see that the scanner is locked, the scanner head is locked, so it won't be able to move back and forth, or the scanner head is stuck anywhere around the rail. Normally, once you put on your printer, what is supposed to happen is that this scanner will move to this edge and then move back the other side. But if it is stuck, it is going to give you that error C3100. So I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So depending on the model of the printer Kyocera printer you're working with, some of them might have, there is a lock here that is located here. Just check if you mistakenly put the switch in the lock position. If you do that, the head will not be able to move back and forth the way it ought to, and it will come up with that error on your screen. Since mine is not locked and it's giving me that error C3100, so I will assume that the scanner head is locked somewhere. So what I will do is to open it and manually move the scanner head, so that I will remove it from whatever has hooked or whatever is preventing the scanner head from moving back and forth freely the way it ought to. So for what I'm going to do is to gently remove this scanner glass. Your own model might be a bit different, but it's generally the same way. What you just do is just to remove this scanner glass. You don't even need to remove it completely. What you just do is just to raise it up a bit, enough to be able to get your hand inside and then free it from whatever is holding it from moving freely the way it ought to. So I'm going to get my flat head screwdriver and take out this clip, so you can see this clip here. I'll gently take it. Alright, so these are the clips here. There's one here also. After removing the clip, the next thing I'm going to do is there is a screw here somewhere, so I'm going to remove this so that I can get access to that screw. Alright, so we have some screw here. There's a screw here and there's a screw here also. There's a screw here also. I'm going to get the screws out. The two screws is out. So I will be able to remove this front panel carefully. You have to be very careful when working on this area because of the scrape. You don't want to break the scrape. So there's a screw on this edge and there's a screw on this edge also, which I am going to remove. So I'm going to remove this screw here, one here, one here. So after removing this screw, I'm going to gently pry this open with my hand, or I'm going to make use of a screwdriver to be able to pry all of this open this way. Then this is going to carefully give out this way. So I can unplug this if I want to, but I don't want to unplug it because I don't really need that right now. So what I want to look at is there's this clip here, there's a clip here, which is holding this down. There's a clip here and there is another clip here. So with my flathead screwdriver, I will unclip this. So this is going to come off. There's another one here in the middle. I'll carefully So I'll click to 1, 2, 3. You can see that this is going to come off easily. This is going to come off easily. So what I want to watch out for is this head. So this head is not able to move back and forth because it is stuck. So I'm going to carefully, gently use my hand there and reposition it, you can see. To ensure that this is able to move freely, so I'll take it down to rest. So now that it has rest and through, I'm going to clip this back. Okay, so this is done. Ensure that none of this clip has removed or is out of place. Then I'm going to carefully move this back the way it ought to be. Alright, so I'm going to Alright, so another thing that can cause this error is over here. If this is not moving, it can be as a result of the connection from this scanner head to the main logic board, and the main logic board is around this area. So I am going to check the main logic board and clean the main logic board. So I'm going to open this so that I can be able to remove this. And remove this. Remove this. So the area where the clip is towards this top area here. So I'm going to remove this also. Alright, so I'm going to locate the clip for. I want to locate the clip that is going to the scanner. So this clip is the one that is coming. So this clip is the clip that is coming from the scanner down to this. So I'm going to clean this clip here. So I'll remove this clip. You can see here. You can gently clean the tip of this clip here. Gently clean the tip of the clip, or get your flat screwdriver here and you gently scratch carefully. And then you put it back. Now ensure that this clip is plugged in properly. And this is plugged in properly. This is also plugged in properly. So I'm going to fix this back.